In the React lifecycle method, okay, we have already known about two method, that is mounting and updating phases of lifecycle. Okay, then the last phases of React lifecycle is unmounting. Okay, we'll learn about this in this lecture. Okay, what is unmounting? Okay, unmounting is the process of removing component is unmounted or destroyed. Okay, the next phase in the life cycle is when a component is removed from a DOM, or unmounting as a React likes to call it. Okay, when the component is removed from the DOM, okay, then the unmounting is like to call it. Okay, React likes to call it. Okay, unmounting is the process in React lifecycle when the component is removed. Okay, then it is called. Okay, this unmounting performs any necessary cleanup in this method. Okay, such as invalidating timers, okay, cancelling network request, or cleaning up any subscription that were created in. Okay, React has only one built-in method that gets called when a component is unmounted. Okay, that is a component will unmount method. Okay, there is only one method in mounting phase. Okay, that is a component will unmount. Okay, let's learn about the component will unmount method. Okay, let component the component will unmount method is called when the component is about to remove from the DOM. Okay, if the component is about to remove from the DOM, okay, we call this component will unmount method. Okay, syntax of component will unmount method is component will unmount, then curly braces, okay, open and curly braces. Okay, we write the code inside this. Okay, this is the component will unmount method. Okay, let's do the practical so that it is clear. Okay, okay, open your editor. Okay, don't forget to run your server. Okay, by commanding npm start. Okay, if you start a command, okay, this is the example of previous lecture. Okay, let's use the component did mount method. Okay, then go to your student.js file. Okay, then remove this part. Okay, then rcc. Okay, this is the student class. Okay, then after that, okay, before the render method, okay, component did mount method is called did unmount component did mount method. Okay, then parenthesis. Okay, then open our close browser. Okay, then console dot log. Okay, parenthesis. Okay, call then is student mounted method called. Okay, this is the console log. Okay, after the render, okay, we write here in the h1. Okay, this is the unmounting phase. Save this file. Okay, we have already exported here. Okay, then remove this part also. I will remove this part. Okay, then cut this part. Okay, then go to your app.js. Okay, open your app.js file. Okay, there, okay, what we create a component. Okay, that is app component. Okay, in the app component, okay, we create a component, that is component did unmount. Component will unmount method. Okay, oh, component did method. Okay, did mount. Okay, then parenthesis. Okay, then curly braces. Okay, then use here console dot log. Okay, then parenthesis. Okay, then mount it. okay, this mounted method. Okay, use here semicolon. Okay, save this file. Okay, after saving this, okay, we'll use here component will unmount method. Okay, component will unmount method. Okay, then this is use here parenthesis. Okay, this is the function. Okay, then console.log. Okay, then use parenthesis here. Okay, then use here what, unmounted. Okay, after that, okay, render. Okay, here we use here what, oh sorry, I am here with you. Okay, save this file. Okay, okay, this code must be written in the s1 tag. Okay, one tag. Okay, save this file. Okay, then go to your browser. Okay, then you'll go to student.js. Okay, we don't import this file. Okay, app.js file. Okay, in the student.js file. Okay, first import this file. Okay, here. Okay, student. Okay, student.js file. Okay, go to your index.js file. Okay, then import that also. What if from current module. Okay, what if. Okay, save this file. Okay, then student here, use here if plus. Okay, save this file. Okay, then go to your browser. Okay, you will get here error, use this control X. Okay, here control V. Okay, save this file. Okay, then if you call, okay, parse error. Okay, unexpected token. Okay, go to your student.js file. Okay, there is a one curly braces more. Okay, remove this part. Okay, then save this file. Okay, then go to your browser. Okay, then go to your inspect page. Okay, then console. Okay, first if I refresh this. Okay, oh, it must be mounted. Example, mounted is app.js. Okay, mounted. Okay, here I must be use here app. Okay, so that this is the app mounted. Okay, save this. Okay, if you open your browser. Okay, then if you refresh this page. Okay, then first we call app mounted method. Okay, that is the app mounted method is this method. Okay, app mounted method in the app.js file. Okay, with component did mount method. Okay, after that we called this unmounted method. Okay, this unmounted method we call unmounted method. Okay, this unmounted method first we did component, we did component. Okay, mount. Then after that, okay, we will unmount that. Okay, then we will component did mount. Okay, we'll done this. Okay, component student mounted method called. Okay, we can use here render method also. Oh sorry, we'll use here render method also in what, where, app.js. Okay, so that render method is also seen there. Okay, the render method. Okay, above the return. Okay, we'll use console.log. Okay, what app rendered. Okay, use semicolon. Okay, go to your browser. Okay, if you refresh this, okay, first app rendered. Okay, first method is render method. Okay, then app mounted. Okay, then unmount, then student. Okay, first it will go from the child to the parent components. Okay, this app is a child component. Okay, first app is render. Okay, then app is unmounted. Okay, then student unmount method is called. Okay, this is all about the unmounting phases. Okay, this is all about the lifecycle method of React. Okay, we have already known about the mounting phase and then updating phase, and in this lecture we learn about this unmounting phase. Okay, this is all about the lifecycle method in React.